Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are going to talk about if your iPhone 17 does support the dual SIM. So actually, yes, your iPhone 17 does support the dual SIM. Of course it depends on the region where you are, but usually it's Nano SIM and the eSIM. If you are in Europe, you can use eSIM plus eSIM or eSIM plus Nano SIM. If you are in the USA, you can use two eSIMs at once. And if you are in China or Macau or something like that, for Hong Kong, you have only two Nano SIMs, which are just two SIMs, dual SIM, using the Nano SIMs. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.